for the launch of options and goods. So before we start the proceeding, I would request Ashish sir, MD and CEO BSE, to start with the welcome address. Ashish sir, to you please.
Dear Sri Mohanty, whole-time member, Security Exchange Board of India, friends, a very good morning and warm welcome to all of you. Before I begin, I wish to place on record our gratitude to SEBI for granting us the permission and operations, technology, clearing and business teams to make this product launch possible in these times of COVID. Human spirit is ignited by the resolve to overcome the pandemic, and we at BSE have been doing that with our continued operations. Since the nationwide lockdown from March 25, 2020 began, BSE has taken a number of steps to ensure normal business functioning of the capital markets. During these tough times, BSE has launched new products such as rupee derivatives at India INX, which is operational for 22 hours, listings of SME and startups, and today's launch of gold mini and silver KG options. BSE has also enabled its Bold Plus trading system to accept orders and execute trades at negative prices, making it the first exchange in India to offer this facility to participants in India. We are extremely grateful to Sri S.K. Mohanty, full-time member at SEBI, and everyone at SEBI for coming out with innovative frameworks for expansion of the commodity markets and for their enormous support and guidance they have extended to all of us. We have had an eventful journey filled with milestones since we launched commodity derivatives trading and becoming India's first universal exchange on October 1, 2018. Today, launch of commodity options market is yet another milestone in our commodities market segment. BSE currently offers a multitude of commodity futures across precious metals, energy, base metal, and agri segments. BSE has always emphasized on physical delivery as an integral part of our commodity derivatives platform and attained delivery of close to 16,400 tons in gold, silver, guar seed, guar gum, chana, cotton, etc. on our platform as of December 2019. We have also received regulatory approvals for launching steel billets and first of its kind almond futures contracts. Since launching commodity futures on our platform since October 1, 2018, BSE has always been keen on launching commodity options with a view to further widen and deepen the commodity markets in India. We are extremely grateful to SEBI for constituting a working group to study the introduction of new commodity derivatives products and designating BSE as the lead coordinator for this group, where the framework for options and goods was deliberated and recommended to SEBI. We are extremely grateful to SEBI again and the government of India for making the necessary changes in the SCRA and approving the product design for launching options on goods in record time. With options on goods participants can give or take delivery of the underlying without getting into the futures contract at the time of expiry. The first option contract BSE offers are on gold mini and silver KG based on spot prices effective today. Currently, only options contracts which revolve on underlying futures contract are available for market participants. Today onwards, you can directly buy the underlying from the options itself. Via these products, BSE aims to give greater flexibility to a large section of stakeholders and help in adding to overall market efficiency. We are also confident that the options products will be useful especially for mid-level jewelers and bullion traders, as they will be able to hedge their prices by paying small premium and avail delivery on expiry of the contract. BSE has identified more products for launching of options based on spot prices, and BSE is excited about the bright prospects in the commodity markets. I would like to emphasize that BSE believes in systematic development of the commodity markets through innovations, awareness, and research with a view to provide a wider product range to the market participants. Before concluding, I would like to once again thank Sri Santosh Mohanty, full-time member SEBI, and everyone at SEBI for their enormous support, as well as all our members for their support also, so that we are able to successfully launch this product. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ajit sir, for the opening remarks. Now I request Shri S. Mohanty ji, whole-time member SEBI, the chief guest today for the launch of the gold mini and silver KG contracts with his special address, and also would like to address the August attendees here today who are there on the WebEx as well as the entire Facebook. On to you, sir. Mohanty sir. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Samir sir, he has muted himself. He has to unmute.
Mohanty ji, you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Now audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning to all of you, whoever is attending this webinar inauguration ceremony of the commodity options in goods launching in gold and silver by BSE. At the outset, I must congratulate Mr. Ashish Chauhan and Mr. Samir Patil and the entire commodity team of BSE for being the first one to take this India fair and launch this option in gold and silver today. In fact, the options has a checkered history in the sense that as soon as FMC got merged with SEBI, the first thing that came to our mind is that to introduce option, which was so far prohibited in the commodity derivative market. The first and foremost, we tried to introduce option, but in a very in a form in which it has been introduced in the Western market. That option is to devolve on commodity futures only. I think that did not serve as much as the purpose for which we really wanted options to be there in the market to cater to the needs of the small segments of the population, especially for gold and silver, the small jewelers, mid-sized jewelers as Ashish mentioned, and in agri commodity also the farmers or small producers who really need those options, plain vanilla options to exercise and use it as a simple tool for their hedging. So in 2016, of course, in commodity derivative market, option on commodity futures were introduced, but later on a product committee was constituted, a new product committee. I think BSE actively participated in it, and they were the most keen MI who wanted the new product in the form of commodity options, particularly options in goods, should be launched in this market so that it can cater to the needs of the value chain participants. And as soon as the unification of the exchange, particularly universal exchange concept was introduced, so this concept of having option in goods, which had some legislative hurdle in the SCRA and our regulations, we tried to mitigate it and we took it up with the Government of India. And now I think after the notification by Government of India, we have the scope of introducing more and more option in goods. And as all of you know, options and futures, commodity history, derivative market history has been only dominated by futures. Futures, of course, has been serving a very useful purpose of price discovery and price risk management. But as in my view, option has little bit of edge over commodity futures as far as risk management is concerned. The name suggests itself a simplicity of the particular instrument. It gives an option to the option buyer to insure himself or herself against the price fluctuations in future. And as a seller, he can buy a put option, or as a buyer, he can buy a long option and hedge himself against the price movements, rapid price movement in future. And for that, all that he has to do only a simple pay a little bit of some small amount of premium. And these commodity futures and commodity options devolving on futures so far were having those complexities involving this margining, mark-to-market margining, etc. Now these players of these participants of commodity in goods, especially commodity in gold and silver that we are launching today, all that they have to do, they have to only pay once and forget it, and then lock themselves with a price as per their wish and convenience, as per their business model, as per their inventory management, and as per their future plan of their business. So therefore, I think this particular product should be very popular amongst the target value chain participants for which BSE has launched it. As Ashish clarified, it is meant for those mid-size and small-size jewelers and retail participants throughout the country. And therefore, I'll urge BSE to, this is digital era today, and we are trying to contact and communicate with everyone through digital medium. And there must be more than 30,000 jewelers all around the country through the trade bodies like IBJ or regional trade bodies of jeweler associations, etc. They should reach out and communicate and educate all the jewelers about the advantages of having an option, particularly buying an option in this particular uncertain time that we are going through and the uncertain future that we are faced with. And when the dollar keeps on getting strengthened every day, and the stock market is full of volatility, and there is a sense of pessimistic sentiment hovering around stock market, this is the right time that BSE has come out with this kind of product, and where the safe haven value of gold has really further enhanced in the minds and perceptions of all the investors across segments, across the asset, different assets that people normally buy. And as they say, every portfolio should have at least 10% of gold investment. I must say now, I think people must be thinking we should increase the ratio percentage of investment in gold in their portfolio. So retail participants, small jewelers, mid-sized jewelers who really want not to be bothered by the rapid rise or rapid fluctuation in the gold price in future, it is the right time for them to hedge and use this option in gold and silver as sort of an insurance against price fluctuations or price rise or rapid price movement in future. So therefore, I think after having launched this, I'm sure BSE must have done a lot of homework, must have definitely done a lot of awareness programs. I think they have to do a lot more work as far as reaching out to the jewelers all across the country is concerned. And therefore, this plain vanilla simple product of option, which is very easy to understand, very easy to participate, very easy to adopt in business model of every kind of jewelers. I must congratulate BSE once again and thank you for launching this. Now here the journey begins for you. You must try to get as much as participation possible in this market so that everyone gets benefited out of it. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your encouraging word, and thanks for always being there and very helpful for the changes. So before I begin with my vote of thanks, I've been told that the trade is taken place in the options contract. So congratulations to all, sir. And, yeah.
Congratulations, people. These are
Sir, so thank you very much to the S.K. Mohanty, whole-time member, for giving your precious time and coming in today's webinar despite your busy schedule and challenges in the current event scenario. Thanks, Ashish sir, for gracing this occasion as well. This reflects the importance this is attached to Mohanty sir, your vision for the commodity derivatives market. Myself, on behalf of entire BSE invitees, on my personal behalf, extend you a very hearty vote of thanks for gracing the function and sharing with us your vision. We at BSE are committed to the broad principles of what he has suggested in his speech earlier. Sir, we will continue to look towards you for guidance and support. Sir, today's launch of the new framework of optional goods would not have been possible with the support of, as we have said earlier, Ashish sir also said earlier, the Government of India, SEBI and other stakeholders in overcoming the legal and regulatory hurdles. We are especially thankful to SEBI for being, and the entire team of SEBI for being more than a regulator by implementing a sound regulatory framework for the proposed product. I must also mention a deep sense of appreciation to all the officials of working group set up to study the launch of new commodity products, including my colleagues in this group, for coming up with solid recommendations based on sound logics. We are also extremely grateful to all our members and clients who have supported to us so far. We look forward to your support in the future as well, sir, and hope the launch of gold mini and silver KG options on goods today are useful to all for hedging their price risk. On behalf of BSE, I would like to express my gratitude to Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSE, and my colleagues in BSE for and subsidiaries for the guidance, support, and for providing encouragement every point in the launch of this product. Lastly, a launch of such product cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks in advance. It required meticulous planning and execution with an eye of detail. But nevertheless, I thank everybody who were associated with any kind of way in this launch from the bottom of my heart. Let me also conclude my emphasis that the progress achieved thus far with commodity derivative segment is a good start, but there is a still much work ahead. At the end, I once again thank Shri S.K. Mohanty ji and other guests who have joined us in this launch virtually. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. So now the program for the inauguration is over, and we can.
Yeah, we can log off. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mohanty ji. Thank you all the members.
Thank you, sir.
For participating today.